if you use Scratch, then you need this browser extension. All you need to do is go to scratchaddons.com. The link will be in the description. Once you've done that, you should be taken to this page here. Just click Install for Chrome. Then take you to here. I've already got it, but here it'll say add to Chrome. Once you've added it to Chrome, there'll be a download thing that'll either come up in the bottom or in the top right. And then you should go over to this bit here and then click Scratch Add-ons. Go here and then Scratch Add-ons. Pin it and then you'll have it here. And then you'll see this little bit here. You can, so this basically has loads of add-ons that Scratch doesn't have normally. You can reply to your messages and stuff. If I reload it, show more, then I've got all my stuff here. And then there's even a bit for games that you can go find. My personal favourite is the add-ons bit. So to get to view all the add-ons, you just need to click this little cogwheel settings icon here, and it'll take you to this website. Then you can find all these, like delete sprites without confirmation, save blocks, like basically scroll through and change all the ones, put on all the ones you want, and yeah. Enable all the ones you want and disable all the ones you don't want. And then go to scratch.mint.edu and then all the stuff will come up. Like here, when you go to the search, I've added it so that it will come up with a bigger search bar. Or when I create a project, it will have custom options like bigger project save. So if I do this, it'll be a bigger button than it usually is. Or look, for example, let me do this. Cat blocks brings back the cat editor hat blocks that were first introduced for April Fool's Day 2020. Enable it. Sure. Cat cursor. Reload. And then look, you find the cats and it'll follow the cursor. And then also, if I do that, then refresh it, and get one of these blocks, but they don't follow my cursor. But I personally don't like this, so I'm going to turn it off. Now, there is another really useful thing that I use quite a lot. It's to add thumbnails. So I will do a separate video on this because there's two ways to get thumbnails in Scratch. But this way is the easiest and best. So I'm going to quickly code a small game and then get my thumbnail, and I'll get back to you. So here I've just super quickly created a small code. So let's have a look at it. Oh, it's not saved, man. That's not cool. Look, I'll go here. That's not cool, man. Gotta do this again. Alright, so I managed to get it working with an apple this time because I'm him. But let's have a look. So yeah. So it says it's S for Sync Gaming or Sync Extra. Now, it was S because, obviously, it was the S sprite before, but that wasn't working for some reason. Or Scratch is just cancelling me, but whatever. So, the Sync Extra part, if you didn't know, I've actually changed my so my YouTube username is still Sync Gaming, but my is now Sync Extra without an E. If you didn't know that, I did it yesterday. Now I'm just gonna go get my art, so my thumbnail for it. Now I'm just gonna go get my art, so my thumbnail for it. Alright, so now I've just made a really quick burner icon thumbnail for it. So let's quickly add a description. Let's say this game is for YouTube bro, what the hell, man? yeah, you'll see this icon, set thumbnail, obviously only with the Scratch add-ons. Select file. I'm going to, where is it? Here we go. I've got it here. Thumbnails uploaded. If I go to my profile, oh wait, hold on. I need to go here, add-ons tutorial, and I can't believe I completely forgot to do this. I forgot to share. Now you'll see that that's there, and then you'll see that. If I go to my profile or go there, you'll see that is the thumbnail for it. But yeah, again, the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you, because I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be back with more tutorials and more gaming videos very, very soon. And yeah, just maybe be another Scratch tutorial in the works. Yeah, links in description. You can go through and change, do all the features you like. And yeah, thanks for watching. Sync out.